There's been a huge buzz around the Salesforce CRM in today's digital world. Salesforce is the leading CRM at present, and more companies are now utilizing Salesforce CRM implementation to drive business growth. It helps you keep connected with your customers and stay at the forefront of innovation. Want to know about the benefits of Salesforce CRM and how it can grow and propel your business? In today's video, we will share the best Salesforce tips and tricks to take your business to the new heights of success. First, gain a 360-degree view of a customer. Salesforce stores every customer interaction in the system, and history is quickly available to marketers when needed. Data collected and stored in a convenient location saves time and money, giving you more time to analyze the most important data efficiently. Sales reports and dashboards help your team make smart and real-time decisions based on more detailed analysis. Second, generate most potential leads. With Salesforce, you can generate the potential leads relevant to your business and increase company sales. It also helps you identify new market prospects and maintain your existing customer base. Third, elaborate the customer interests. A business can grow based on your customers' responses and interests. So, it is necessary to understand the interests of your customers before expanding your product range. To do this, you can use Einstein's Salesforce techniques to analyze existing data and gain meaningful insights that will help you better understand your customers' interests. Fourth, automate the marketing campaigns. Today, marketing campaigns are personalized and automated to facilitate the entire customer journey. There is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which handles a wide range of marketing activities and allows you to focus on the right customer interests while the customer base continues to grow. The next point is design apps faster than ever before. The best solution is to optimize the Salesforce One application development framework, where applications can be designed in minutes, or you can also use previously designed apps that suit your business needs. Sixth, Salesforce communities. With Salesforce communities, you can turn your customers into leads. You need to create your own Salesforce community using the Salesforce Community Cloud and engage as many users as possible. Seventh, deliver personalized services. Salesforce allows you to take your personalization efforts to the next level using automation tools, data analysis techniques, artificial intelligence techniques, and more. The personal level of services not only generates new leads but helps in retaining existing customers too. The next point, seamless customer experiences. With Salesforce Lightning, you can design interactive applications or user interfaces that customers can navigate seamlessly. In the busy world, no one has time to understand your complex business idea. To make the process simple, you can leverage the Salesforce Lightning framework that makes UI more interactive and easy to navigate. Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management tool that lets you track almost every aspect of your company's sales and customer contacts, thus providing insight into your analytics and keeping your customers happier. There is much more you can do and manage with Salesforce's highly customizable interface. Want to get your team up to speed with Salesforce? Cloud Analogy is the trusted Salesforce partner helping clients globally accelerate CRM transformation by maximizing ROI. Our team of certified Salesforce consultants can help you to achieve functional efficiency with Salesforce. Contact us now.